Hey everyone, in this video I will give you an introduction to Yardi Property Management Services. Alright, let's begin. Before we start, here's a quick overview of what we will cover in this video. First, we will open the Yardi website and go straight to the Property Management tab, which is the main section we will focus on today. After that, we will go through the Markets We Serve menu, where I will explain all the different property types supported by Yardi. Next, we will look at the three platforms available: Voyager, Breeze, and Breeze Premier for Canada. By the end of this video, you will understand everything you need to know about navigating and using Yardi's property management services. First, open the Yardi website. Once the homepage loads, go to the Property Management tab because that is our main focus today. This tab is the central point for exploring Yardi's tools for managing real estate operations, tenants, financials, and portfolios. After selecting this tab, you will notice several main areas that guide you through the platform's services. These 5 areas help you understand how the system is organized and what features are available. The first area is the Overview section. This part introduces Yardi's mission and shows how the platform supports different real estate operations. It explains how Yardi brings property management, accounting, marketing, resident services, and operational tools into one connected system. This helps reduce workload, centralize data, and improve performance across various types of properties. The overview also highlights how Yardi supports growth, delivers automation, and ensures secure operations for businesses of all sizes. The second area is the Markets We Serve section. This is one of the most important parts because it shows which types of properties and industries Yardi supports. Under this section, you will see affordable housing. This includes tools for managing compliance, tenant income certifications, and financial records for government-supported housing programs. Next is commercial, office, industrial, and retail. These tools are used for managing shopping centers, offices, warehouses, and other commercial spaces. Then you have condo, co-op, and HOA. This focuses on managing homeowner associations, board processes, resident information, and financial operations. Another market is co-working and flexible space. This supports shared office facilities, desk reservations, membership plans, billing systems, and access management. Investment management is another category designed for tracking portfolios, performance, and investor communications. Manufactured housing includes tools for managing mobile home parks, lot rentals, and community operations. Military housing focuses on managing properties built for military families and service members. Mixed portfolios is a category for businesses managing different property types under one company. Multifamily supports apartment buildings and rental communities, offering tools for leasing, maintenance, marketing, and rent collection. Occupier is software for businesses that lease properties for their own operations. Public housing authorities, or PHAs, support government housing agencies in managing records, compliance, and financial data. Self-storage includes features for storage facility owners to manage units, billing, and customer access. Senior living focuses on managing facilities for older residents, including care tracking and housing operations. Single-family homes include management tools for rental homes across different locations. Social housing covers government-subsidized programs. Student housing includes tools for managing dormitories and student accommodations. This section shows how wide Yardi's support is across real estate industries. Next, you have the third main area called Platforms available. This section introduces the 3 platforms Yardi offers for property management work. The first platform is Yardi Voyager. This is the enterprise-level solution designed for large companies, big portfolios, and organizations that need advanced automation. It includes tools for accounting, leasing, maintenance, compliance, performance tracking, and reporting. Voyager is cloud-based and supports deep customization, making it suitable for large and complex operations. The second platform is Yardi Breeze. This is a simplified and easy-to-use version of the software. Breeze is made for small and medium-sized businesses that want quick setup and easy navigation. It includes core tools such as online payments, accounting, marketing, and maintenance requests. Breeze has a clean interface and works well for users who want a straightforward system without complicated features. The third platform is Breeze Premier. This is an advanced version of Breeze available only in Canada. It includes everything in Breeze but adds stronger reporting features, more automation tools, and additional support for larger portfolios. Breeze Premier gives Canadian users a more powerful management experience without switching to the full Voyager system. These are the 3 main platforms available for users based on their business size and needs. Yardi offers a wide range of product suites that support property management, asset management, and real estate operations. The Voyager suite is the full enterprise platform for large portfolios, while Breeze is the simpler version for smaller portfolios, and Breeze Premier adds more advanced features. Virtuoso is Yardi's next-generation cloud platform built for speed, automation, and modern workflows. The investment suite manages investor relations, assets, and funds. The Rent Cafe suite handles marketing, leasing, resident portals, and online payments. Reach by Rent Cafe adds digital marketing tools. The Commercial Cafe suite supports commercial listings and tenant services. Elevate suite provides analytics, forecasting, and business intelligence. The Procure to Pay suite manages purchasing and vendor payments. The Energy suite handles utility billing and energy management. Aspire is the staff training system, while RightSource supports affordable housing compliance. The Care suite is for senior living operations. Matrix provides real estate data. Yardi Cube suite manages co-working spaces. ScreeningWorks Pro does tenant screening, and Yardi Karam handles corporate real estate management. Now let's move to the Resources tab. This is the fourth major area. The Resources tab offers many helpful tools, guides, and references. The first part is the Resource Center. This contains articles, guides, videos, and documents that help users learn more about Yardi products and industry trends. Then you have the Balance Sheet blog. This blog covers real estate news, technology trends, best practices, and updates about Yardi's services. It helps users stay informed about the latest developments. Client Central is another important section. It is a hub for Yardi clients where they can access training, account management tools, product updates, and support information. This area is helpful for learning how to use the platform effectively. Support is another part of the Resources tab. This section provides clients with access to help materials, troubleshooting steps, and customer service options. It ensures that users can resolve problems faster. Then you have the Events section. This area includes upcoming conferences, training programs, and industry events where Yardi participates. It allows users to learn about new features, attend workshops, and connect with industry professionals. Interfaces is another important resource. This explains how Yardi connects with third-party systems such as payment processors, marketing tools, and accounting software. Users can also browse available interface partners. The Independent Consultant Network includes certified consultants who can help users with system setup, configuration, and support. This network provides professional assistance for users who need advanced help. Lastly, you have publications. These include case studies, research papers, and professional reports related to real estate and technology. Now let's move to the Company tab. This section provides information about Yardi as a business. It covers the company's history, goals, leadership, values, and mission. It explains how Yardi was founded, how it has grown over the years, and how it supports clients across the world. The Company section shows how Yardi focuses on innovation, security, customer service, and real estate technology development. The final area is the Customer Success tab. This part highlights Yardi's commitment to supporting clients through training, onboarding, and long-term assistance. It includes success stories, case studies, and examples of companies that have improved operations using Yardi's platforms. The Customer Success section also explains how Yardi guides new clients through setup, helps them learn the software, and supports them in reaching their goals. So that is basically the beginner's guide to Yardi Property Management Services, and that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.